everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Mrs. Smith 88. So today I have a Scentsy unboxing for you guys, and I am so excited to share this with you guys. I decided to join the Scentsy team because for the month of May, anybody, yes, anybody who wants to sign up to sell Scentsy can join for just $15. It is typically $99 to sign up to sell Scentsy. This is a more condensed version of the major mega seller kit. So you get a smaller kit, $15, and you're getting over $26 in product for the $15 and the opportunity to turn around and sell Scentsy and make some money. So like I said, I am unboxing the $15 starter set. I got mine yesterday. The shipping was really quick, which I was impressed with. I ordered on Friday and it arrived on Tuesday. So I was quite impressed. So the first thing I'm going to show you guys is the not so fun and exciting stuff that came in the kit. I mean, technically it is fun and exciting because you can use this and this will help promote your business. You get a buttload of Scentsy catalogs. These are to share with your customers if you want to have a party and share them around at your party for people to be able to look through the different products. This is the spring and summer catalog, and I believe that we ended up getting 15 of them. So quite a bit of catalogs there. The next item that we got is these scented stickers. And you could add these onto postcards or mailers to mail out to your clientele once you start building a client base. These are scented Scentsy stickers. So the ones I received are in Do We or Don't We. I also received Farmer's Market and I received Be My Honey. So all of those are very new fragrances to the Scentsy collection. So as we dig a little bit deeper, I did get 15 samples. So that is part of why this kit is on the cheaper side and only $15, is you are only getting a fraction of the samples from the starter kit. But you know what? All the samples I got in my kit are newer fragrances that you want to share, that you're going to want to talk about. So let me jump in and show you guys the samples that I received. I received a lavender cotton. Looks like that. I received Sunkist Citrus. I know that this tends to be a hit. A lot of people like Sunkist Citrus. I received Apricot Vanilla, and I've actually been on the fence with ordering this for myself. I know you guys will be seeing a Scentsy haul soon. To me, this smells like an orange creamsicle. It smells so good. French lavender. Pink cotton. A lot of people have been raving about pink cotton. It is definitely a twist on one of those fresh, clean laundry scents. Ooh, one of my favorites, and part of the reason why I signed up to sell Scentsy. This is hands down one of my favorite Scentsy scents. This is sea salt and avocado. I absolutely love that fragrance. We also got coconut and lemongrass. Honeymoon Hideaway, which is on my list to order. Mickey Mouse and Friends. This is part of the licensed Disney collection. So if you guys are Disney fans, Scentsy has your back. Not only do we have Disney fragrances, we have Disney pals. We have all kinds of Disney products. Cinderella Happily Ever After. If I could only melt one Scentsy scent, it would be this. And I've been thinking about signing up for the Scentsy subscription so I can have this come to me in my subscription box all the time. Those of you guys who are not familiar with Scentsy and the subscription service, what it is it's a subscription service where you can go in and add your favorite Scentsy products to your list. and you can get them auto delivered to your house either monthly, every 2 months, every 3 months. You set up how often you want these to be delivered. So I'm thinking about having 3 bars of Cinderella delivered to my house every 3 months, along with sea salt and avocado and a few of my other favorites. We also received the Bambi Twitter pad scent. The Ariel Under the Sea fragrance. Aloe, water, and cucumber. I have yet to order this fragrance. This is on my list. This is an amazing fresh scent. You can't go wrong with this scent. This scent will not offend anybody if you were to melt this in your house. It is a very good neutral fragrance. We also have Prickly Pear and Agave, which looks like that. Sorry if you guys hear my dog in the background. He's trying to make himself a little bed. So now let me show you guys the actual full-size products that I received in my $15 starter kit. So remember, this was $15. You already got your sales materials that you've seen. Then they give you actual product on top of it. So we did receive a full-size pink cotton bar. Now personally, pink cotton isn't one of my favorite fragrances. I plan to trade this off. I know a couple of Scentsy consultants, and one of them has already asked to trade with me. So I'm going to trade that one off. And then we received the Burlap Star Mini Warmer. So this is one of the plugins. These are the perfect size if you have a small office, if you want to put a warmer in your bathroom, if you want to put a warmer in your laundry room, or even one in your kitchen. I highly recommend these small warmers. Now personally, I wasn't crazy about this design. It doesn't suit my decor. So what I did decide to do is do a giveaway. So I want to do a giveaway for you guys, and I'm going to have all the information over on my Facebook page for my Scentsy business. So I will go ahead and have a link below for my Facebook if you guys want to check out the upcoming giveaway. Definitely follow that page so you can see when I'm having the giveaway and all the details of the giveaway. Like I said, I'll have a link below if you guys want to order, or if you want to sign up to be a consultant, because you can sign up to be a consultant this month for only $15. And the thing is, it's just because you sign up to be a consultant, you don't have to sell. If you love Scentsy and feel that you would need it every quarter, you have to get $200 in sales every quarter, which is relatively easy. That breaks down to less than $75 a month. So if you think that you can get $75 a month in sales, whether it be your own personal sales, sales between friends and family, you could use it just for the personal discount. That's part of the reason why I signed up for $15. I'm like, you know what? I love Scentsy. I'm going to use the products. I'd really like to be able to get a discount when I'm buying my own products. So you know what? I'm going to spend the $15 and get the starter kit. If I can make some sales along the way, then why not? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, definitely feel free to leave them down below, because I would love to help you guys out, especially if you want to sign up. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Bye, everyone.